stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
In this video, we are going to find out if Carnival cruises are as bad as they seem to be online. So tune in, let's see what we can find.
Bring your bitch ass down to Carnival Cruise Lines, the trap house of the sea.
Breaking news, an 18-year-old has mysteriously died while on a Carnival cruise ship. Here's everything you need to know. 18-year-old Anna was on the cruise ship traveling.
We have more information. This
Carnival cruise said, not on my watch. We are not doing this no more.
I know that's right. 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 I know that's right.
Baby wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, yeah. Wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, baby wobble, yeah.
I am just trying to get back to my room. Do better, Carnival Cruise.
Is this our vacation?
Yeah.
Oh. Are we trash?
Kinda.
Oh.
Hey! Oh, shit! Welcome to the motherfucking cruise. No, not me, man. Hold on, shit. Oh, shit! There it goes! There it goes! Shit! God damn! God damn! Welcome to the...
Holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of... Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Holy crap, what is up with these dudes? I swear every time I find a snake it tries to attack me. Alright, we got down here kind of early for a cruise. This is the second Airbnb we're staying at. Nice little pool. There's 8 of us. A typical boating community. It's pretty nice. But this bathtub is sweet. The bathtub's so cool I didn't even notice the shower. All right, morning of the cruise. I ain't ever been on a cruise ship since I was like 3, so it's gonna be first time for a lot of us, I guess. That's a big old boat. We're officially on the boat. That's a huge ship. Oh yeah. Adios, amigos. Been hanging out. Been hanging out on the beach all day. They didn't tell us when food was being served or when it was going to be not served, so we skipped a whole meal somehow. And now we are waiting in like a hour-long line to get on a boat.
If I leave here tomorrow.
Other things is you have to do, but they will do shows. Oldest is gonna go into retirement.
Yeah. That was a highlight for the day. St. Martin. Big old boat. No.
I was trying to give you my water. Do you want it? Or Ken has got water without flavor in here.
Your phone all right?
Yeah.
I got a little more respect for iPhones now. You good?
Yep.
You want this?
Probably start touching. Yeah.
One more. Still doing okay? Normal?
Yeah.
From what? 10 feet under? 8 feet under?
You get a picture of these girls, Mom. Get a picture, say cheese. Look at Jay.
Chagan?
I don't know. Chagan.
It's got the Acura logo on the wheels.
Yeah.
It looks like a Honda, like a Ridgeline or something.
Yes, yes, somebody had it. We thought that was gone, so.
Don't worry if you can't Christmas things.
I will for sure.
Hey.
Yeah, you guys swim back in with me?
Yeah!
Climb on.
Climb
on.
Come on!
Climb on my back. Come on. Come on. You coming?
Yeah!
Okay. You coming, Papa baby?
Yeah!
All right, we go. Let's do this. We're gonna watch some airplanes.
Meta.
Tell me the name of the plane and the pilots. I'll give you a free bottle of rum punch.
prop plane.
Alright, so when there is a local airline company, it takes flights to the neighboring islands like Saba, Statia, St. Bart's, and Anguilla. It's like a little bottle opera. I see one in the sky coming again. Yeah, I see one. Here now. Here, stand up, stand up, stand up,
Right. Now he's turning. Jamie, do you see him now? The headlights coming at you?
Look at the lights.
Look at the lights coming at you. Straight ahead.
That's a different kind of breeze.
How did we ever discover Cuba?
Oh yeah, it'd be sick. I bet you these goats do it every day. Yeah. The bet is what size the front and what size the back.
We're in the front.
What size the front of the ship, what size the back of the ship.
Which side?
That's not what he just does. He's
talking about. I thought we were in the back.
No, we're in the front.
No,
That's why you can hear all that, banging because we're going through the waves first.
Trey's right. We're on.
We're in the front on
Damien
that
and
side.
facing this way.
You guys are on that side. You're on the even.
We're on that side.
Or you're on the even.
Yeah, she's on the even.
You're on the even on this side.
Yeah,
We're on this
you're on
side.
that side. Yeah.
We come down from the water slide and we go, yeah, okay. Right over $50. I'll bet you 50.
bird's nest. First time on one.
Is it a Cincinnati beer that I'm thinking of?